Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a website here in Penpot. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you a simple web design, and you can go ahead and add in whatever you need in your specific website. Okay, so first up, we want to go ahead and add in a board. Okay, so just drag and drop and make your board, maybe just like that. And once that's done, go ahead and add in, of course, your images. Okay, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and use this image from Microsoft. Okay, just wait for it to load. There you go. And then once it loads, go ahead and move it however you want. Okay, if you want to make it crop, just move it outside like so. Go ahead and add in your rectangle, maybe like that. Add in your image on top of it. Okay, make sure that it is on top of it. So just move it right here at the top of rectangle. Now group it and make sure that you mask. There you go. Now here we have our board. Okay, let's say I'm going to make this big of a board. Now move it. Okay, just like so. What you got to do next is go ahead and add in some text. Right here at the top right, click on text. Click on a specific spot. Okay, now go ahead and type down whatever you want. For example, please subscribe. Now make sure to make it bigger. Select all. Make the text bigger right here. But if you want to, you could go ahead and change the font. There you go. Actually, I'm going to make the board smaller for us to be able to see what's happening. Okay, change your color if you want to. And also we have the constraints right here. So whenever you go ahead and move your board, okay, you should enable constraints, as when you move your board, okay, or stretch it, all of your objects right here won't follow. It will just stay in the same exact place. So if you add in constraints, it will follow. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and select all objects. Okay, all objects are selected. Now go ahead and go to constraints right here. Make sure it's either set to center or top or bottom, if however you want. Okay, that's it. So fix when scrolling or not, or scale right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select my board right here. As you can see, as easy as that. Now, it's up to you if you want to add in some buttons. And if you don't know how to add in some assets like maybe logos, icons, buttons, you can go ahead and check our videos on the channel. We have a ton of it. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to assets right here, and as you can see, I have here material designs. Okay, like a badge, bottom sheets, card, chip. Okay, filter, graphics right here. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop. There you go, and make it bigger. Let's say you have a navigation icon right here at the top. When someone clicks on it, it will pop up. Okay, and maybe add in some more text. Or you can just copy this one, copy and paste, move it right here, copy and paste. Okay, paste, lock this image so it won't move. Select the three, okay, like so, and the positioning right here. Okay, another one right here, we have circum icons. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in the messenger icon here, the chat icon. I'm going to move it. I'm going to make it bigger. Put it this way, or at the very bottom, and add in a text. Chat with us. Okay, change the size, just like that. Now, if you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and go to layers, add in some more pages. Okay, this is page 1 or page 2. Or you could go ahead and add in as many board in here. Okay, and connect it by using prototyping. Or let's just go ahead and create a simple button like this one. Okay, add in some rounded corners. Click on the button. We have here the radius. Okay, just gonna make it uniform. You can go ahead and use your up arrow key. Then I'm gonna move the please subscribe text right here, and I'm gonna move it at the top of the rectangle. Okay. Now, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and group the rectangle and this one. So we're gonna have to select both, like so. Right click and group. So go to prototype right here. Click on the plus sign for interactions. On click, where should it go? Okay, trigger on click. When someone clicks on it, where should it go? Navigate to where? Or open URL. You can go ahead and do that. Open URL, paste the URL, then go ahead and check it out. Okay. Or you can go ahead and change this one to open up a specific page. Okay. Go ahead and add in some board in this area. Let's say this one will open up, navigate to destination to the next board. All right. That is it. Add in some more stages right here. And once that's done, you'll have your website design. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.